I'm your host, Corey. As always, I'm going to get that four-letter word, punch it right into your gut, so you always remember it next time you need to get mad at something. No, I don't want you to say it when you get mad. Anyway. Greetings and salutations, you lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. We explore weird and forgotten drinks, so the lady niceties. I'm your host, Corey. And today, I want to dive into a new cocktail book I got. It's the Pink Panther Cocktail Party. I think it's based on the 40th anniversary of the Pink Panther, or the illustrations of the Pink Panther. Very mid-century. It's just great illustrations and a lot of cool cocktails. It's supposed to come with a CD, but yeah, you can only buy used, so the CD's missing. Maybe I can find it on eBay. Anyway, there's a cocktail called the Clouseau. A cocktail called the Clouseau, like Inspector Clouseau, if you're familiar with the cartoon. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about. As always, I am not a bartender. Do not take this as bartending advice, so let's make a drink. Oh, nice. All right. Okay, let's make this thing. So we got 3/4 of an ounce of bourbon, 3/4 of an ounce of cherry liqueur. This stuff is so yummy. Oh my god. I probably could drink it by itself. 1 ounce of cream. It says 1 teaspoon of triple sec. I'll use my big spoon. Should be pretty close. Alright, now we shake it, shake it. Shake it, kitty, shake. Well, this one's gonna be interesting looking. It's not at all what I imagine it looking like. It looks a little bit like chocolate milk. That's got a whole lot of flavors going on there. You know, you got that creaminess of the cream. That's self-explanatory. That cherry herrings really stands out in there. The bourbon's not quite. It kind of subdues it a little bit. You don't really taste the orange of the triple sec as much, but it's all right. You know, it's got kind of White Russian-esque, kind of texture. So if you like that kind of drink, you might like this. Anyway, with that being said, y'all know what to do. Until later, cheers.